your 2026 mortgage game plan in 3 minutes. If you're buying a home, renewing, or even just trying to lower your monthly payments in 2026, you need a simple plan. And I'm here to give you a practical game plan that you can use right now. This is Andrew at Agomez Mortgage. Today is about your 2026 plan. Here's the big picture. We're heading into a period where a lot of Canadians are dealing with renewals, and many people are starting to feel the higher impact of payments and higher costs in general. The Bank of Canada has talked about how renewals in 2025 and 2026 can mean payment increases for a meaningful portion of borrowers, even as conditions change. At the same time, the market has been uneven. In Ontario, we're seeing periods of softer activity and more price sensitivity. And that creates opportunity, but only if you're prepared. I want you to think of 2026 in 3 lanes. You choose the lane that you're in, and then you follow the steps. Lane 1, you're renewing in 2026. Your goal is options. Options come from starting early. And here's a checklist that I want you to follow. Start 4 to 6 months early, and that's when you can really compare offers and not get stuck accepting what shows up in the mail or email. Get your penalty and maturity date in writing. And so if you're thinking about refinancing, you need to know the math before you can make the move. You want to update your income and your debts for your own records. And if your debt has gone up or your income has changed, we can plan around that reality. And you have to decide what you want your mortgage to do. You want the lowest payment? Do you want a fast payoff? Do you want more flexibility? These are different strategies. In lane 2, you're buying in 2026. Your goal is confidence and speed. Build a budget that still works if life happens. Don't qualify at the top and just hope. Know the difference between a full pre-approval or a rate hold, and ask what conditions still apply. Plan your closing costs and cash on hand, and not just the down payment. Pick your non-negotiables. Rate is important, but so are prepayment options, portability, and the fine print. Lane 3, you're staying put, but cash flow feels tight, and your goal is stability. List every debt with rate and payment that you have, credit cards, loans, lines of credits, everything. Check if your mortgage strategy still fits your life. Sometimes the best move is to restructure, and sometimes it's not. Avoid quick fixes that create long-term traps. If something sounds too easy, ask what it costs over 3 to 5 years. One practical tip is that the Bank of Canada has scheduled rate announcement dates throughout the year. And when rates are in the news, people search more. Lenders adjust pricing, and decisions start to feel a little bit more urgent. And even if you do nothing else at those times, mark those dates as a reminder to review your game plan. If you're renewing this year, buying this year, or trying to lower your monthly payment pressures, start with one step. Pick the lane that applies to you and do the checklists. If you want a second set of eyes, you can book a call. Or if you're just here to learn, subscribe, because I'm posting new episodes every 2 weeks and keeping it practical for you and your mortgage.